Welcome guys to another Zenler. Now in this one I want to show you how you can actually hide or make secret a course so it doesn't appear on your main page. Now as you can see here, we've got a bronze course, a silver course and a gold course, and that's fine, but I've got this main template site under here, and I don't want this. I want to be able to add it to maybe a bundle, but I don't actually want it to show on this page. So it's really easy. Now there's two ways. If you're not adding it to a bundle, you can just unpublish the course, and I'll show you how to do that now. You can just come into the course, so you make sure that you're on the courses tab here. You click in here and you click unpublished. And now if I go to this course, this page, and I refresh it, you're going to see that now it disappears. But because it's unpublished, you're not going to be able to add it to any bundles. So how can we make it live but also hide it from that page? It's really easy. We just need to republish the course, and then underneath the course details we need to come here and turn on make course secret and click the update button. And now if I refresh this, we're going to have the same thing happen. The course is actually published, but it's made secret so it doesn't appear on this page. This allows you to add it to bundles. If you don't know what bundles are, then have a look at another Zenler where I cover bundles.